In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot sequences. If you're new to sequences, think of them as a structured series of outreach actions, like emails and follow-up tasks, that help you stay consistent without manually managing every single touch point. They're great for sales follow-ups, nurture flows, or any repeatable outreach where timing and consistency matter. To get started, head to the search bar at the top left of your HubSpot portal and type Sequences. This is the quickest way to jump straight into the Sequences tool without hunting through menus. Once you're there, you'll see the Sequences area, where you can view existing sequences and create new ones. Next, click Create a Sequence. This opens your main starting point and presents you with a few paths. You can create a dynamic sequence, start from scratch, or use a pre-made sequence. Here's what those options mean. A dynamic sequence adapts automatically based on the contact's engagement, which can help with timely follow-ups without constant manual adjustments. Starting from scratch gives you total control to design every touchpoint yourself, ideal if you have a very specific process in mind. And pre-made sequences provide curated templates you can customize, which is perfect if you want a quick, proven foundation without building everything from zero. For this walkthrough, choose a pre-made sequence. As soon as you select it, HubSpot will show you the steps included in that sequence. You'll typically see a combination of scheduled emails and reminders for tasks like follow-ups or check-ins. This preview is your blueprint. It outlines exactly what will happen and when. From here, you can configure the sequence to fit your voice and goals. Review the email copy, make sure the subject lines are clear, and personalize the content so it feels relevant to your audience. Adjust the timing between steps to match your typical sales cadence. Maybe you want quicker early touches or a longer gap before a final nudge. If the sequence includes tasks, confirm that their instructions are clear so you know exactly what to do when those reminders appear. You can also reorder steps or remove anything that doesn't apply to your process, keeping only what supports your objective. Before you move on, give everything a careful read-through. Check that the tone fits your brand, the timing feels natural, and the steps align with how you want to follow up. A few thoughtful edits now will make the sequence far more effective later, and that's all. You searched for sequences, clicked Create a Sequence, chose the option that fits your needs, and in this example, selected a pre-made sequence and reviewed its steps so you can configure it your way.